Ideally, each sink will have its own drain and a vent. But if you initially have a single sink and you are planning on changing it to a double sink, you will need two drains. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can share a single drain for two sinks without cutting the floor or breaking concrete. Welcome back to another video by the building expert team. Start by cutting out the existing trap arm and mark the center of the new sinks from your cabinet drawing specifications. My drain coming out of the floor was gliding where my two cabinet boxes join. So I offset it by installing two 45s. Next, we are gonna drill holes in the wall studs to run our trap arm pipes to the sink drains. Once again, check your cabinet drawing specifications for the drain height before drilling holes. If it's not specified and you plumb it at 18 inches, it will work just fine. The standard trap arm height for a bathroom sink is 17 to 20 inches. If you have to drill through multiple studs to reach the center of your sink drain, make sure you drill your holes at 1/4 inch per foot slope. Also make sure that you follow the minimum and maximum trap arm length code. The minimum trap arm length for an 1.5 inch pipe is 3 inches, and the maximum is 5 feet 11 inches. The maximum angle a trap arm can have is 135 degrees. Now we are gonna install a line cleanout at 12 inches, which will be high enough to clear our cabinet kick. You can adjust the height of the cleanout and trap arm as per your cabinet designs. Now we are gonna run two pipes in the wall studs, long enough that they reach or extend to the sink drain centers. If you can't slide long enough pipe in the stud base, you can use couplings to extend pipes. Now we are gonna use this special fitting to connect our sink trap arms to our drain pipe. It allows wastewater from each sink to a common drain while sharing the single vent. It's a 2x1.5 inch cross T. To install the T, dry fit the trap arm pipes to the sides of the T, making sure it's draining towards the drain that is coming out of the floor. And measure the piece that will fit between the cleanout and T. Now we will glue the pipe we just cut to the T and glue everything together. T into the cleanout, trap arm pipes to the sides, and finally connect the vent on the top. Since our T is 2x1.5 inch, I'm gonna use a 2x1.5 inch bushing to reduce the top of the T to 1.5 inch, because the vent going out through the roof is 1.5 inch. Then we are gonna stub out pipes using 90s exactly at the sink drain centers. You can still cut or extend the pipes to reach the centers at this point, but this will be your last chance. I have put links to the tools and fittings I used in the video in both ABS and PVC in the video description below. Once they are stubbed out, cap off the ends for water testing. And this will also block any sewer smell coming out of the pipes. If you are renovating and can't do the water test, just do a run test before capping off the ends. That's all for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.